Let's get started.
Hello, beautiful. Okay, so I just want to remind you guys, remember how I showed you guys in the last video I haven't done my nails? My nails look really, really bad, you guys. Okay, they look really, really bad. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys this new kit I picked up off of Amazon. Um, I do gel polish on my nails. I'm doing a lot of press-ons right now, so you guys probably won't see me doing like acrylic on my nails anytime soon. So I'm cool with the press-ons. But everything that I'm about to show you that's right over here, it will be linked down below in the description box. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I picked up. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys actually how I do my nails. And it's just going to be a watch through. I'm not going to do any detail on it, just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I first picked up this baby right here from Amazon. Mind you, I don't need this, but if you do need to start off with a set of tools or stuff like that to get your nails started, this is something good to use. So in here you get a pair of nippers, which let's see how they compare to mine, because I have mine over here to the side. It does have a cover. They look pretty good, you guys. Like the nippers look pretty good. Pretty good. And these are the nippers like I've been using for years, you guys. Okay, mines have been through it, but I've been using these for years. So you do get two very nice soft buffers. 1,000 over 4,000 grit is pretty good. You got two of those. You have like a smooth side back here if you just want to do a natural buff. Especially for males. Males normally get a natural buff. You have three of these. I love files like this, you guys. You get three of those. Mind you, I do have my own nail drill, okay? I don't have my original professional one. That one died like 2 months ago, but I got a little tiny one from Amazon. I do have a buffer brick here. You got a nail brush. You guys, I love these things. I keep one in my kitchen at the sink, and I keep one in my bathroom at the sink. Then here you have some nail tools in here as well. Of course, I'm going to open these. So you do have a couple of nail tools that you can also use for like designs and stuff like that. Very, very nice. So here is the kit I picked up from Amazon. This is the brand. I will make sure I leave the link down below in the description box, trying to move everything out the way so it's not in frame, but it is, it is. Can't do nothing about that, y'all. So like I said, here is the brand. This is how it comes. Like I said, I picked it up off of Amazon. I'll go ahead and open it now. So I wanted to get this kit to kind of show you guys how you can be able to do your own press-ons or gel polishes at home. Like I said, this is a whole kit. So it comes with an LED light, which we're going to open it, and we're actually going to be using this in the next video as well. Okay, let's see what's all in here. So, okay, it comes with the manual, comes with an LED light. There is the port. You see all the LED lights underneath there. You can fit your whole hand underneath here just from looking at it. I'm pretty sure you can get your foot underneath there too if you want to do your feet. So this looks like it's the cord, which that's cool. It's nice. So as you can see in here, it has all these polishes that comes inside of here. Woohoo! And it comes with this perfect gel little pamphlet here. It shows you how to do it, how to remove the polish, and all that good stuff there. So what it looks like, it comes with some more fun stuff in here. So it looks like it comes with, the little toe dividers for you to do your toes. Comes with some tweezers here. I guess you want to do these gems or stuff. It does come with some confetti. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I've never done these on my nails, but I think I will try because I'm gonna do nail videos with you guys. So we got some of those things. We got some nail buffers in here. This one looks like I might not like it, but you know, who knows? I gotta try it first. Looks like we got a nail oil. Ooh. Just kind of curious on what type of oil's in there. So we got a cuticle cutter and another one of these. Ooh, I mean a cuticle pusher, my bad. So you guys. So you got a cutter and a pusher. Comes with nail clippers, a cute little, ooh, my bad, a cute little tiny nail brush. Oh, you got some little gems in here. I'm not sure if I'll use these, but got those. And then these here, I guess you can go ahead and play with some of these colors and try out this LED light. All right, so here are the colors. I pulled them out the box. And as you can see, it comes with a lot of different shades here. It comes with 32 different shades. And it also comes with a base, a top coat, and a matte. Now, when I test these out, I will be using the base and top coat from here, or at least the top coat out of here. Super excited to try this baby out. And we're just going to test out a few colors, put them on here. You know, I think I'm going to do all the colors. And, you know, put them underneath the light. I do have it plugged up. It's ready to go. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right when I'm done. All right, y'all, I am back. So I went ahead and I did every single color. I did use a top coat on half of them because I had to stop because there's not quite a lot left that I needed to do the tutorial. So over here is just the nail polishes. I mean the gel polishes. When you put them on, they do feel tacky. So I did just use a little bit of alcohol and I wiped them down. That's why they kind of look dull, okay? But on these over here, they got the top coat, okay? They look super shiny, very, very nice and pretty, all right? This one too. All these got the top coat, and then that's when I realized I needed to stop using them so I can use it for the tutorial. Now on this one here, as you can see, I got the black shiny one, but we also had a matte. There we go. So this one here, guys, I did matte down here. I did the shiny color up here. You guys can see what the matte looks like, the shiny. So that is all for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in trying them out, mind you, I bought this with my own money. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested, and I'll show you in the next video how I do my nails.